Hello guys, how are you today? I'm Chong from Chongy Bears. This is a package from South Korea, the official website of Live Friends. It's delivered today by DHL. I love this box. It looks very cute, and look at their tape. I already cut it open, but I haven't seen what's inside yet. I like the tape, and I like the picture on the box. My friends, here. Okay, now let's see what I got. Ooh, oops. Okay. Wow. Ooh. What do we have here? I love the boxes. I love those boxes. So cute. Let me see what's this. Oh, look at that. I love it. Whoa. Let's open this box. It says jelly candy, 7 flavors. Oh, it's the TV humidifier. I'm gonna put it on my desk, on my bear making station. Ooh. Oops. Very cute and small humidifier. They have a few, I think maybe 7, like here says. They have a few different designs, like in different color. This TV in different color, and they have different creature inside. I don't remember what they got. Oh, here you can see. I saw this when I was shopping online. The bunny, dog, and this. It looked like a horse or unicorn. I don't really know. Koala bear. Yeah, I saw all those creatures in different color of TV, but unfortunately at the time I was shopping, this is the only style available, so I don't have choice. But I still like it, so I got it. If I have choice, I will probably get the one with this horse because it's very colorful. Oh, maybe the bunny. Okay, let's see if I can take it out. No, hold on. Okay, I opened it. This is a mini humidifier. I'm not sure how to open it. They got a user manual here. Ooh, it's all in Korean. And I don't know what this is for. And USB. Okay. Yeah, I'll take another video later when I started to use this humidifier. Very nice. Okay, the next one. Here on the side. Next one is this is a portable mood lamp. Oh, portable mood lamp. Okay, I got this lamp for my table, bear making table, because most of the time I work in nights and sometimes it's really hard to see clearly. Okay, it's really hard to open with only one hand. Okay, this is the user manual. This is the USB cable, and this is the light. Okay. Lucky I got the one with this horse on it. I really like this horse. On the website, they still have some other style, other animals on the top of this. Not sure how bright it will be. Ooh, Oh, this is soft. Oops, I don't know why it's just very soft. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. I'll turn it on later. Okay, this is what I got from Live Friends official website, which is shipped from South Korea. And I love them. I'll use them later and I will take another video. Okay guys, thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.